Hello everyone, back again with us. Welcome to Moto Stylish Channel. Today we will introduce 2018 Kawasaki J300. The Kawasaki Z300 naked model appeared in 2020, becoming the successor to the Kawasaki Z250 model in Europe, Oceania, and South America. In Asian countries, including Japan, the Z250 became known as the Z250 ABS and was essentially the Z300, but with a Ninja 250 engine. The new Z300 model received a Ninja 300 engine. The Kawasaki Z300 was based on a liquid-cooled inline two-cylinder engine with a volume of 296 cubic centimeters, producing 39 horsepower, power, and 27 Newton-meters of torque. The motor is revving, with maximum performance at 10,000 to 11,000 RPM. The frame of the Kawasaki Z300 is a steel diamond-shaped structure. The suspensions are simple, a regular 37 mm telescopic fork in front, and a swing arm with a progressive monoshock in the back. The brake system is fully disc. There are versions with ABS. Compared to the previous Kawasaki Z250, the new Z300 has received an assist and slipper clutch. The restyled Asian version of the Kawasaki Z250 ABS was also equipped with this system. 2018 was the last year of production of the Z300, after which it left the market, giving way to the updated model, the Kawasaki Z400. Main competitors of Kawasaki Z300: Honda CB300F/CB300R, Suzuki GW 250, Yamaha MT-03, 2016. A brief history of the model. 2015, the start of production and sales of the Kawasaki Z300 model. Joymax 300 ABS versus Kawasaki J300. Until recently, of all the big four Japanese motorcycle manufacturers, only Kawasaki did not have scooters on the production line. But here they are, too. We decided to evaluate the first pancake in comparison with one of the best representatives of the class, the Taiwanese SYM Joymax. Developing your scooter from scratch is not an easy and extremely costly business, and most importantly, the lack of experience threatens to turn into a proverb about the first pancake. The Japanese decided not to reinvent the wheel, but remembered the now fashionable badge engineering, putting the already well-known Kymco Downtown 300i in their plastic. He did not gain much popularity in our latitudes. The artsy Asian design, coupled with an impressive price, buried a pretty good car. Now the Japanese will sell it, already under their own brand. What about SYM? Over the past 10 years, the Taiwanese have developed a whole school of engineering. A real thoroughbred European, sold at, though not a small, but quite a Taiwanese price. Without exaggeration, he is the leader in his class, and the first acquaintance with Kawa revealed its striking resemblance to SYM, which is why they decided to compare it with him. The devices are similar, if not like twins, then like blood brothers. The base, wheels, and dimensions are almost the same. Even the landing differences had to be looked for with a tape measure in hand. Scooters are so similar that at first, their main difference seemed to me a different interval of blinking turn signals.